In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Photos Synology. First, we need to open Google Takeout. This is the tool provided by Google to help you export your data from various Google services. As you do this, you will see a clean and simple interface. It allows you to choose what data you want to export. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for transferring your Google Photos library to your Synology NAS. By using Google Takeout, you ensure that you have a complete copy of your photos stored on your device. Next, select Google Photos from the list of services. You will find a checkbox next to Google Photos. Make sure it is checked. This action signifies that you want to include your photos in the export. As you navigate through the options, you may also see other services listed. However, focusing solely on Google Photos is essential for our purpose. After selecting it, you will be prompted to create an export. This step is important as it initiates the process of gathering your photos into a downloadable format. Now let's create the export. Click on the Next button and you will be taken to a page where you can customize your export settings. You can choose the file type, frequency, and size of the export. For most users, a zip file format is suitable. You may also select the maximum size for each file. If your library exceeds this size, Google will split it into multiple zip files. This is a helpful feature because it ensures you can manage the files easily without overwhelming your storage capacity. Once you have made your selections, click on Create Export. You will see a message confirming that your export is being prepared. After your export is ready, download the exported zip file or files. You will receive an email notification once the export is complete. This is an exciting moment as it means your photos are now packaged and ready for transfer. To download, simply follow the link provided in the email or return to the Google Takeout page. Selecting the files will begin the download process. This step matters because obtaining the files is the key to moving your photos onto your Synology NAS. Once you have downloaded the zip file or files, the next step is to extract them. Use an extraction tool on your computer to unzip the files. This action will unpack your photos, making them accessible for the next stage. You will see all your images in folders, organized by date. Extracting these files is vital as it prepares them for upload to your Synology Photos. You will find your photos ready to be managed and organized. Now it's time to upload the photos to Synology Photos using FileStation, SMB, or Synology Drive client. Choose the method that you find most convenient. If you're using FileStation, you can simply drag and drop the extracted photos into the desired folder on your Synology NAS. This step is important because it ensures that your photos are safely stored in your Synology environment where you can access them anytime. If your Google Photos backup quality was set to Storage Saver, make sure to use Google Photos Takeout Helper before uploading. This tool preserves important metadata associated with your photos. This step is crucial as the metadata contains details like dates and locations which enhance your photo organization and retrieval later. By ensuring the metadata is intact, you maintain the richness of your photo collection. Finally, remember that existing photos already stored only in Google Photos must first be exported with Google Takeout. There is currently no official continuous sync from Google Photos to Synology NAS. This means that you will need to repeat this process whenever you want to back up new photos. Following these steps will ensure that your Google Photos library is safely backed up to your Synology NAS, giving you peace of mind.